In certain situations, we install integrated downlights. Look like this, and they come with a connector which go in, click together. So if you're doing a build project, we can have all the wires connected into that and return to install the new downlight. With these downlights, these are good because they are shallow in height. So if you've got an extension at the back of your house with a flat roof, instead of having a regular downlight with the lamp all contained in there, look at the shallowness of this light. With this type of light fitting, you can change the lamps. With this type of integrated light with shallow on the back, the only thing you can do is change the whole light fitting. In recent years, these integrated lights have been upgraded so much now that if you've got a peculiar or particular size or style of light fitting, we can match. There are various types of downlight available. Majority of them have something like a 72mm cutout, a hole in the ceiling. However, if you've got a tilt and turn variety up in the ceiling, you can see there's a distinct difference. Even if we go like that, can have up to 2 centimeters difference. Traditionally, around 15 to 20 years ago, you could have a downlight which was an actual light bulb, and these have bigger holes in the ceiling. And unfortunately, when you're putting in this style of light, or you're replacing the downlights which are this size or bigger, the light fitting, look at it, this will fall through the hole of that. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.